Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Tab Active5 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. And here in this left section we have to scroll down to find the option Accounts and Backup. Here we've got this Google Drive section and the option Backup Data, so let's simply tap on it. Hello. Okay, and now we have to tap on Turn On. We will be immediately transferred to the Sign In section, so just tap on Next, and if you've got your Google account added to the device, you will be able to choose it from the list. If not, just tap on Add Account and go through the whole process. We will have to confirm everything with our screen lock or... Okay. So make sure also that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And tap on Next. So right here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. You can tap on them to learn more, and tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so basically you can decide what kind of data you'd like to backup. So you can choose photos and videos or other device data, or you can use both. It's basically up to you. I'll pick only other device data and then tap on Confirm. Then tap on Manage Backup, and as you can see here we've got this everything checked in green, which means that we just successfully added our Google account here. We've got also backup details, so after tapping on other device data we can check the info about the backup. So as you can see we've got the amount of space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Here we've got backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up. Here advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off. And to finish everything, simply tap on Backup Now, and from now on your device will back up the data. Obviously you have to confirm everything with your screen lock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.